Arrange light fixture on the table or floor in specified mounting locations as per the light plan. First, measure and mark the center point of your mounting structure. Second, measure the fixture, which will either be 120 centimeters or 150 centimeters. Mark the fixture size using your first measurement as a guide for the center of the fixture. Measure and mark 10 to 15 centimeters from both ends of the fixture markings. Included accessories should be 2 wire mounting brackets, and 2 screws. Face the open end of the bracket toward the center point. Fasten the mounting bracket into the final marks made in the previous step until the screw is flush with the mounting surface. Raise the fixture module to the mounting structure. Align the fixture module with the wire brackets and tilt it to slide the fixture side channel over the wire brackets. Lightly press the fixture upward toward the brackets to fully secure both clips.